Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Gigs. In today's video, we'll discuss about method overriding, runtime polymorphism. So in Java, method overriding is a feature that allows a subclass or a child class or a derived class to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by one of its superclass or a parent class. The method implementation in the subclass overrides the method implemented in the superclass only when we follow below rules. Method name should be same in parent and the child class. So whatever the method that you are writing in the parent class, so it should be the same when you are writing in the derived class or a child class. Also must have same arguments in the parent and the child class. So whatever the arguments that you are passing in the parent class, so the same number of arguments or the same type of arguments you have to use it in the child class. So arguments again depends upon the data types, what type of data type you are using, and data type count. That means like in a method, if you are using two data types, so in the child class also you have to use two data types, and the data type order. So whatever the order you are using, int string or a int string, you cannot use the other way around. And also must have same return type as the method in the parent class. So whatever the return type you are using in the parent class, so you have to use the same in the child class. And the methods which are declared as a final, so if you are declaring any method as a final, so you cannot override. So let's start with an example. I'll create the package. Now I'll create the superclass. Okay, in this I will write the methods now. I'm just printing. I'll create another method. So I'll pass some arguments here. Okay, now I'll create the L class. So this will have the main method, and I'll extend the superclass. We'll have some methods in this class as well. Now I'll override the methods. I'll just copy paste these methods in the derived class and I'll override them. I'll change the child class, and here I'll print the interest. Okay, now I'll create the object for this class. So I will have to print all these methods from the child class. So I will do all of these methods. Here I'll print. Let's see the output. So you can see. So we have override it. So in the parent class, you can see it's written as superclass. We have changed that, and here we are printing 5, whereas in child class we have override and we are printing 9. So this is about method overriding. Thanks for watching.